Today I will make a special country chicken recipe. Here mustard oil, salt, turmeric powder and mix it and cook it for half an hour. For the recipe, putting here mustard oil, few passpurun, black pepper, red chili berry, spring onion, raw chili. I'll grind mint and azel leaves. These are from my garden. And add in the chicken. Here little bit salt, turmeric powder, garlic and ginger, little bit sugar, saute. Coriander powder, meat masala, red chili powder, few cashews, saute it. Now add the chicken. Mixing it. Becoming like this. Little bit salt again. Pieces of potatoes. It is optional. Cook it 4 minutes. Sprinkle water. Little bit more. Cover it and cook it. Hot spice. Mixing it. This country chicken recipe is different from others and so delicious one. And also healthy. Chicken really cooked. Now I'll add the grinded paste. Now I am adding the paste. Hot water. Little bit salt. And cook it for half minute. Really boiling. Raw garlic and ginger paste. mixing it. It will be ready now. It is suitable for cough and cold. It being ready for serving. Healthy, tasty, suitable recipe. Serving it, you can have it with roti, rice, chapati, naan, etc. Enjoy the video. So bye for today. Come again with another delicious recipe.